how to recover hacked Steam account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply type Steam account is stolen on your browser and then open up the very first link. Here it will give you the instructions. Either you can contact the support or you can just recover it by yourself, but make sure before doing so you need to have the proof of account ownership, otherwise they will not give you your account back. Also, you should know the login name of your account and also the email addresses that you have used for your account. This information is quite necessary in order to get your account back. And after that, you can just simply open up this particular link over here, and this will redirect you over here. Simply select this option, my Steam account was stolen and I need help recovering it. And over here it would give you some instructions like scan your computer, change your email's password and all sort of things, but at the bottom it would tell you to reset your password. Simply select this particular option, then change your password. For that, you would have to type your email address or the phone number that you have used for your Steam, and this way it would give you more details in the second step. Since my account has not been stolen and I don't want to trigger any unnecessary outcome for my account, but for you, just simply type the email address, then it would ask you for your username and all sort of other details. Simply provide all the details and also provide the description how you might think that your account might have stolen. So after providing all this information, you would be able to get the help from Steam, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.